In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and make the most out of the HubSpot LinkedIn Sales Navigator integration. This powerful feature allows you to seamlessly connect your HubSpot CRM with your LinkedIn Sales Navigator account, providing a unified view of your sales prospects and customer data. This integration is designed to streamline your workflow, offering sales teams the tools and information they need directly within HubSpot. The key feature of this integration is the ability to view LinkedIn data directly within HubSpot. Imagine having access to LinkedIn profiles, job titles, company information, and much more directly from HubSpot's contact and company records. This is a game changer for any sales team looking to have everything they need in one place. Another significant advantage is the synchronization of data between HubSpot and LinkedIn. Your contact, company, deal, and owner information can be automatically synced, which ensures that your data remains consistent and up-to-date across both platforms. This consistency can help minimize errors and save valuable time. Additionally, you have the convenience of saving HubSpot contacts to your Sales Navigator lists directly. This feature is particularly useful for targeted outreach, allowing you to quickly and efficiently manage your prospecting efforts. You'll also find Sales Navigator's powerful lead recommendations and relationship mapping tools within HubSpot, enabling you to optimize your sales strategies with ease. Overall, by accessing these LinkedIn data and features directly within HubSpot, sales teams can enhance their productivity and efficiency. Now, let's dive into the setup process to ensure you're getting the most out of this integration. To get started, you'll first want to install the integration. You can do this by navigating to the HubSpot app marketplace. Once there, look for the LinkedIn Sales Navigator app and proceed to install it. It's a straightforward process that connects these two essential sales tools. During the installation, you'll need to authenticate your LinkedIn Sales Navigator account with HubSpot. This step is essential to establish a secure connection between the platforms. Simply follow the prompts, and soon enough your accounts will be linked. Once you've installed and authenticated everything, you'll notice a LinkedIn Sales Navigator card appear on your contact and company records within HubSpot. This card is your window to LinkedIn data, giving you real-time insights and information right at your fingertips. Next, make sure to enable data syncing between HubSpot and LinkedIn. This is what keeps your information consistent, ensuring that every update you make reflects accurately across both platforms, enhancing your operational efficiency. There are a few important considerations to keep in mind. First, you'll need a LinkedIn Sales Navigator Advanced plan to use this integration. Also, ensure you're on a Sales Hub Professional or higher plan according to the HubSpot ecosystem. Lastly, verify that you have the necessary permissions to install and use the integration in both HubSpot and LinkedIn. By following these steps and considerations, you'll be well on your way to fully leveraging the benefits of the HubSpot LinkedIn Sales Navigator integration. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!